Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Curtis, and if you can tell, it's a little bit different on this camera. We're trying out something new, so let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And if you guys do like it, make sure to subscribe. But today we're out here camping in an active forest fire zone, which is kind of crazy, but it is windy. And as you saw, on the way here, it was pretty crazy. The forest fire looked insane. We got the whole family out here right now. We got Ava right here. She's a brand new pup. We got Penelope right there. And Finley right here. But we got some really good food we're gonna cook up, so let's get into that. I made Kate a nice meal. It's gonna be really, really tasty. But come check it out, guys. We got a nice meal that I'm gonna whip up for Kate today. We actually gonna cook something good at camp. So we're gonna make an Italian flatbread here. So we got some pita bread because they didn't have no like Italian flatbread. We come in here, we got some mozzarella cheese that's frozen. Nice, because the refrigerator. Yeah, except one's not. Oh. You have to heat it up. No, I got one right here. So we got two mozz, one's frozen, one's not, so we should be fine. I think we should be fine. Coming here, we got some pepperonis, some grilled chicken, and what else we got in here? And we got some charcuterie for tomorrow. And then we got some basil, olive oil, some pesto, and some of that Guy Fieri's donkey sauce, garlic aioli, if we want to put that on there too. All right, let's get to cooking. All right, fellas, we made ourselves a goddamn Italian taco right here. Should looking good. We got some, I got pita bread because I didn't have the right thing. Some garlic aioli, a bunch of good stuff. I already told you, but these things looks nice. Look at the view. Dude, it's kind of way too windy though, not gonna lie. Kind of sucks, but shout out to the camper. The camper really helps out with that. But I'm gonna eat up and I'll let you guys know what my rating is. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I give it a solid 8.3. Pretty dang good. I dig it. Very good. A little messy, but 8.3. Camp meal, Italian taco. Very good.
Come on. I know. Come on. Come here. Come on. Oh. Oh, I probably hurt her.
She's fine.
Go help her.
All right, guys, it's a windy son of a bitch of a day today, and we had some fun at camp, I guess. It's been really windy, and we're just been hunkering down. We got Ava up on the platform going to sleep right there, so that's cool. Babe, what do you think about a camp trip?
We're watching Love Island up here.
Yeah, she's watching
No, not she. We are watching Love Island.
Yeah, I guess we're watching Love Island, and she's upstairs watching it. Yeah, we're hanging out, but I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Hopefully it's not too windy out, but I'm not planning
I'm not planning on it being nice and not windy tomorrow because it says it's supposed to be windy as shit also, so that's cool. But we're hanging out. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Morning. All right, guys. Good morning. We slept like shit last night because it was so windy. We just could not sleep whatsoever. Penelope was scared because it was so windy. It was shaking the truck like crazy. And yeah, this camp trip sucks, but we're trying to have fun. At least Kate's having a blast. I'm kind of getting frustrated because it's way too windy, and I know I could probably find a better spot around here, but we kind of wanted to come and stop driving and finding a spot last night. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But you know, we're making the best out of it. We didn't get burned alive, so that's cool. You can kind of see the smoke from the forest fire, pocket fire in Sedona, which is super sad. But we didn't get burned alive, so that's cool. But this forest fire actually gives me the chills. Like driving up here, I saw it, and that gave me the chills. Like, I don't know, this forest fire seems different. I don't know. I know we've had a lot of forest fires. I know we had some in Greer growing up, and forest fires are no joke, especially right now. Like, if you guys see the footage and everything, it's so windy out here, and that fire is raging right now. 0% contained as of right now. I don't know how it would be when I upload this video. But yeah, it's actually really sad. And I don't know who lit it up. I don't know if it was a person. I don't think it was no lightning or anything like that, because we haven't had any type of lightning or rain or storm like that. So yeah, that actually gives me like chills thinking about it, because it's super sad. But yeah, guys, that's why you don't have a fire like right now. Like if you're camping and it's this windy, like don't be a dumbass and have a fire. Like, especially there's no burn days and everything. There's like, those type of people just fucking piss me off, because like they're just ruining the forest, and you know, you probably in the moment don't think you're gonna be that guy, but you know, one little ember can just start everything. So yeah, let's just take that. People take that for granted, and it's kind of wild and so fucked. But on the bright side, what do you guys think about the new camera? I don't know. I'm trying my best here. I don't know if any of this is gonna look good or what, but I'm hoping. It's just kind of hard because I can't see shit on this screen, dude. It's kind of annoying. But I want to give a huge shout out to Jason. Jason Leem. He's the guy who has that red Lexus GX I've been helping build. He's a videographer, cinematographer guy, and he's been peer pressuring me to get a camera to upgrade the channel and to figure some things out. So that's what I'm going to try to do. But enough of me rambling. We're going to feed the dogs, and then we're going to go hit the town, go get some coffee in some little hipster spot, dude. So tag along for that. It's going to be a fun one, and hopefully hit some off-road clips on the way out of here.
Flagstaff best.
Yeah, exactly.
I would know.
Yeah.
Kate actually went to college at NAU, and that's where we met. So Flagstaff has a special part in my heart. So
Yes.
yeah, we're gonna go. And that's the pocket fire right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see the smoke kind of coming over the mountain right there. But beautiful. Oh yeah, there it is. Owie, Finny. Drop it. All right, everybody, we're off to the coffee shop. Ready to get coffee? She said, yeah. Let's get it. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. We're allowed to be in here? Where?